Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 3838, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 3838? What's the symbolism of 3838? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 3838 mean for love? What does 3838 mean for twin flames? What does 3838 for manifestation? How does angel number 3838 affect finances? What does 3838 mean for former relationships? How does 3838 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 3838? What are the weaknesses of angel number 3838? What's the meaning of angel number 3838? Angel number 3838 represents a balance between material abundance and spiritual alignment. The repeated 3 emphasizes creativity, growth, and divine communication, while 8 symbolizes financial success, power, and karma. Together, they suggest that your efforts are being supported by the universe to help you achieve both personal fulfillment and material stability. Seeing 3838 often means you're in a phase of transformation and manifestation where your actions and thoughts are aligning with higher goals. It's a message that balance, persistence, and creative energy will help you unlock your full potential and bring prosperity into your life. What's the symbolism of angel number 3838? Angel number 3838 symbolizes the harmony between spiritual expression and material achievement. The number 3 represents enthusiasm, joy, and self-expression, while 8 relates to personal authority, wealth, and karmic cycles. Their repetition signifies reinforced energies, urging you to be mindful of your thoughts and actions. Symbolically, this number encourages aligning your soul's purpose with your worldly ambitions. It suggests that your creativity and inner vision can lead to tangible success if you stay grounded and balanced. The angels are reminding you that you are capable of achieving abundance while remaining true to your spiritual values and purpose. What is the angel number 3838 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 3838 reflects the journey of integrating the soul's purpose with material success. It encourages you to trust your spiritual guidance while also stepping into your personal power. The number 3 invites communication with the divine and embracing your life purpose, while 8 ensures that spiritual progress will be rewarded with abundance and authority. This number is a call to live authentically and make empowered decisions that align with your higher self. It also signifies that spiritual prosperity and inner peace come from balancing gratitude, discipline, and spiritual awareness in your daily life and goals. What does the angel number 3838 mean for love? In love, angel number 3838 signals the need for open-hearted communication and a strong foundation. The presence of 3 speaks to emotional connection, optimism, and joy in partnerships, while 8 emphasizes stability, trust, and responsibility. This number urges you to evaluate your relationship's balance. Are both passion and commitment present? If single, 3838 suggests you're being guided toward a relationship that honors both emotional expression and long-term security. In love, this number reminds you to stay grounded, be honest with yourself and your partner, and ensure that emotional and practical needs are equally valued and nurtured. What does angel number 3838 mean for twin flames? Angel number 3838 in a twin flame context suggests that both individuals are working through karmic lessons related to balance, empowerment, and communication. The number 3 highlights emotional connection and shared purpose, while 8 underscores transformation through life lessons and personal growth. This number indicates that the twin flame journey is progressing, possibly entering a stage where both souls are ready to align materially and spiritually. Repeated sightings of 3838 could mean reunion is near or that inner work is needed to achieve harmony. It's a sign to trust the divine timing and remain open to growth through the connection. What does angel number 3838 for manifestation? Angel number 3838 is a powerful manifestation number, encouraging you to harness both your creative mind and your practical discipline. The 3 energy supports visualization, optimism, and alignment with your purpose, while the 8 energy brings the ability to bring ideas into reality through structure, focus, and effort. This number tells you that your dreams are possible, but they require clarity, consistency, and faith. The universe supports your desires, especially those rooted in spiritual truth and service. Keep your thoughts positive, take decisive action, and remain patient. 3838 confirms that abundance is coming when you stay true to your path. How does angel number 3838 affect finances? Angel number 3838 strongly influences finances by promoting both abundance and wise management. The 8 signifies financial success, authority, and achievement, while the 3 encourages innovative thinking and expressing your gifts in rewarding ways. This combination suggests financial opportunities may arise through your creativity, communication, or leadership. It's also a reminder to remain balanced, avoid overspending or greed, and focus instead on building sustainable wealth. 3838 indicates that by aligning with your higher purpose and taking inspired action, financial rewards will follow. It's a favorable sign for career growth, investments, and pursuing work that aligns with your soul. What does angel number 3838 mean for former relationships? Angel number 3838 encourages reflection and emotional growth regarding former relationship. It suggests that past connections were significant in teaching you lessons about self-worth, communication, and balance. The number 3 brings a reminder to forgive, release resentment, and express your truth, while 8 helps you see the karmic patterns involved. This number supports closure, healing, and learning from emotional experiences to create healthier relationships moving forward. It's a nudge from your angels to take the wisdom you've gained and apply it constructively, ensuring your future connections are more aligned with your emotional maturity and spiritual awareness. How does angel number 3838 guide your work life? Angel number 3838 guides your career by encouraging you to lead with both creativity and ambition. The number 3 highlights talents in communication, expression, and innovation, making it ideal for creative careers or leadership roles. The 8 brings focus, discipline, and the energy of success and abundance. This number combination supports advancement, especially when you align your work with your life purpose. If you're considering a change, 3838 signals that the universe is backing you. Be bold in your pursuits, seek opportunities that resonate with your values, and maintain integrity. Professional success will come from balance, passion, and persistence. What are the strengths of angel number 3838? The strengths of angel number 3838 include creativity, abundance, spiritual awareness, and strong leadership. This number supports individuals in achieving a healthy blend of emotional expression and practical success. Those resonating with 3838 are typically innovative thinkers with the ability to turn visions into reality. They possess a strong spiritual foundation that guides their choices, and they are often driven, self-motivated, and resilient. 3838 also encourages generosity, communication, and the ability to uplift others through inspiration and wisdom. Its strength lies in its balance. It empowers people to thrive materially while staying deeply connected to their higher values and divine path. What are the weaknesses of angel number 3838? Weaknesses associated with angel number 3838 may include overconfidence, imbalance between work and personal life, or difficulty handling emotional vulnerability. The powerful 8 energy can sometimes lead to materialism, control issues, or obsession with success, while the 3's expressive nature may result in scattered focus or emotional impulsiveness. There may also be a tendency to suppress spiritual growth in pursuit of ambition, or to avoid necessary rest. To avoid these pitfalls, it's important to stay centered, mindful, and grounded. Embracing self-discipline, emotional honesty, and balance can transform these weaknesses into strengths and maintain alignment with your highest purpose.